I want to talk about the fixing trap, what we as coaches end up doing, trying to fix our business in the wrong way. So, what most coaches do is, and what keeps them stuck, is just jumping straight into fixing, not actually identifying anything, just trying to fix it. You know, there's a problem, but you don't actually know how to fix it. You just try to fix it. And then there's changing things before you understand them. If you make changes too fast, it's not always the right solution, right? And then you solve symptoms, not actually problems. But what actually works is when you move. What moves you forward is diagnosing what the problem really is first, and understanding um, before changing. When you understand what the problem really is, the changes that take place are much more effective. And then you find the cause that's really causing the problem instead of what you think might be causing the problem. So that is the fix it trap, and that is what we're going to try to eliminate with this solve method. Solve is see the reality, own the outcome, locate the cause, verify the fix, execute relentlessly. That is what we're going to go through one by one so I can help you to identify what is in your business that is causing you to not move forward. And you can use this framework for every single day, every single problem. Use this framework and it'll help you move forward. That's one of the best things that you can do for your business is become a mega problem solver. Become a relentless problem solver, right?